Good day to everyone. Today, I will discuss and identify fire hazards at my home. I conducted ocular inspection on my home and noticed several fire hazards. First, our cooking equipment like LPG. Pots and pans overheat and cause fire very easily if the person cooking gets distracted and leaves cooking unattended. Always stay in the room or ask someone to watch your food when cooking on hot plates. If left unattended, it will happen like this. Second, unattended candles. From 2009 to 2013, the NFPA says there are an average of 9,300 home fires in the US that were started by candles, causing 86 deaths, 827 injuries, and approximately $374 million in property damage. The safety tip is to blow out all candles when you leave the room or go to bed. Avoid the use of candles in the bedroom. Keep candles at least 12 inches away from anything that can burn. Third, electrical fires can be caused by equipment malfunction, an overloaded circuit, or from an overheated appliance such as a washer, dryer, or space heater. Fourth, curious children. Kids can cause a fire out of curiosity to see what would happen if they set fire to an object. Keep any matches or lighters out of reach of children to avoid any curiosity turn to disaster. Install a smoke alarm in your child's room and practice a home escape plan with your children and family in case there was a fire. Fifth, flammable liquids. There are certain flammable liquids that we need around the house, such as gasoline or kerosene. Make sure that you store flammable liquids in a cool place, away from heat sources, and in safe containers.